what is the arithmetic mean of the following group of numbers? So we have 4 numbers here, and to find the arithmetic mean, we need to add them all up together, and then divide it by the amount of numbers we have, which are 4. But adding these 4 big numbers together isn't easy. So instead, we're going to look at our answer options and notice that all of the answers start with a 1, 2, 120. And because of this, we can actually subtract 120 from each of our answers, so we're only looking at the ending. So we can rewrite these 4 numbers as a 1, a 5, a 9, and a 10. So when we add this together, we've got a 10, a 9 and a 1, which equals 10, and then a 5. So 2 tens and a 5 will equal 25. And we also need to add the over 4. So now our equation is 25 over 4. And some of you may be able to eyeball this and see that it's a little bit over 6. And you can look at your answer options and see which one ends with 6 point something. But if you can't, we're going to continue the equation and we'll break it up further into 20 over 5 over 4 and 5 over 4. Now 20 over 4 is pretty easy because if it was 40 over 4, we could say the answer is 10. 10 times 4 is 40. But we have 20, which is half of 40. So we know we need to multiply 4 by half of 10, which will equal 5. And then for 5 over 4, we know there's a 1 in there, 4 4s. And then we've got 1 over 4, which we can translate to 0.25. So we've got a 5 and a 1.25. And when we add them together, we get 6.25. So now we just have to look at our answer options and see which number ends in 6.25. It's the 4th option down, which is our final answer.